Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aliana Nisa Jatmiko with student number 057. In this opportunity, I will explain my summary results of previous studies on ESP need analysis. So, the first research is from Lamia El Mehta 2022 with the title Need Analysis and ESP course design, a case study of the Institute of Nutrition, Food, and Agro-Food Technologies using qualitative methods. The participants of this study includes 12 doctoral students at the Institute of INATA for the year 2019 to 2021 who have received the target ESP course in Master 1, and 10 subject teachers were also involved. This research, using questionnaires and semi-structured interviews for the techniques of collecting data and using thematic analysis of responses for techniques of analyzing data. So this is the research questions. First is, what are doctoral students' attitudes towards the previous ESP course? Second, what are the problems encountered when dealing with English? The third, how can the course be ameliorated in satisfying Master 1 students' needs in INATA from the perspective of doctoral student and subject teachers? So this is the results of this research. Learners had major issues in speaking and writing for professional context. And also the suggestion is task-based activities recommended for the course, the ESP course. And there are several questionnaire question. The first section is asking about general information of the students. The second section is asking about student experience with the past ESP course. The third section is asking about student language proficiency in the different skills. And the fourth section is asking about the importance of language skills for the subjects and the need for the skills in their doctoral career. The fifth section is asking about students' current experience with English for scientific research and the problems encountered. And the last section for the questionnaire is asking about suggestion for the course amelioration from the perspective of the students who had the same ESP instruction and scientific research. And this is the interview question. There are three sections. The first section is asking about the integration of English in the curriculum, and the second section is asking about the teacher's belief about the student needs of an ESP course. And the last section, third section, is open question requesting the teachers to add any suggestion for the ESP course. The second research is from Medanit Belashu 2020 with the title Needs Analysis of ESP in Textile Engineering Profession in Ethiopian Context. This research using mixed method between qualitative and quantitative with a total of 156 participants were involved, including human resource managers, general managers, and section leaders who had 2 until 45 years of experience in textile industries. And then this research is using questionnaire and interview for the collecting data, and then descriptive statistic and qualitative interpretation for the analyzing data. This is the research question. The first is what English language abilities are required in the textile industries for communication purpose. The second is what English language skills are frequently used in textile fields. The results of this research is found mismatch between course content and job communications needs. And then speaking and technical vocabulary highly required. This is the questionnaire and interview questions. 2 questionnaire question and 1 interview question. The questionnaire question is dominant activities performed in English in selected textile companies and other activities performed in English in selected textile companies. And the question for the interview is asking about English language need of selected textile companies. The third research is from Alfian Azhar Yamin 2021 with the title Need Analysis on English Language Use by Hotel Staffs in Bandung. This research is used quantitative method with participation of 37 hotel staffs in Bandung. This research used questionnaire for the collecting data and the thematic coding and categorization for the analyzing data. This research aims to discover the needs of English language skill in the specific field, focus on analyzing the English language needs of hotel staffs in Bandung. The results of this research is speaking and listening were most crucial for guest interaction and complaint handling. And this is the questionnaire question. There are 5 questions. The first is asking about the importance of English language use in hotel industry. There are 5 sections. The first one is asking about the importance of English language use in hotel industry. The second is the English skill needed in hotel industry. The third is asking about the most needed language function by hotel staffs in Bandung. The fourth is asking about the problems encountered by hotel staffs in using English language. And the last is asking about suggestions from the hotel staffs. Next research is from Yuyutri Guntoro 2021 with the title ESP Course Design for Indonesian Hotel Industry Need Analysis. This research used qualitative method with 3 staffs of the front desk department in Kapal Garden Hotel Malang and 1 hotel's manager for the participants. This research used interview and observation for collecting data and descriptive interpretation for analyzing data. This research aims to identify staff's English needs in the front desk department by identifying labor slack, wants, and necessities. Furthermore, this paper also seeks the expected ESP course. The results of this study is speaking and listening are primary skills for a front desk job. It is in line with work necessity that front desk staff's duties are to communicate with foreign guests. The ESP course is expected to lead the students to pronounce vocabulary in hotels, respond to the conversation in the check-in and check-out situations, explain hotel facilities, direct the guests to a certain place, and understand the various foreign accents. And also the staff expects flexible teaching for ESP course design. And then this is the interview questions. There are 4 sections. The first is asking about employees' difficulties in the English language production. The second is asking about work competencies that must be mastered for front desk staffs. The third is asking about expectation to learn English, and the last is the last is asking about meeting duration for ESP course. Fifth research is from Farobi Yuli Endra, Trisa Afruli, and Ayu Kartika Puspa 2020 with the title Needs Analysis of English for Specific Purposes at Food Beverage Amersia Hotel Bandar Lampung. This research used qualitative methods with 5 participants who were the senior staff of food beverage service at Amersia Hotel and Resort Bandar Lampung. This research used semi-structured interview for collecting data and grouping for analyzing data. The aim of this study is to reveal the language need for hotel staffs in developing English skills based on needs analysis. And the results of this research: 1 is speaking and listening are the major need of the staffs. 2, the language functions needed were in greeting, offering, menu, asking for the customer's need or orders, confirmation, dealing with billing, apologizing or dealing with complaining, and etc. 3, some problems are found in listening, like listening to accents and dialects. The staffs realized that the accents and the dialects and the intonation of the guests can have a massive impact of their communication. And the interview question is divided to 3 sections. The first section is asking about participant needs. The second section is asking about participants' lacks of English skill, and the last section is asking about wants of the participants. The sixth research is from Aldi Dian Hidayat 2024 with the title ESP Needs Analysis for Marketing Students in an Indonesian Vocational School, Insights from Strategy Analysis. This study used mixed method, qualitative and quantitative, with the participations of 50 students of SMK and 1 bond consists of 11 grade students majoring in marketing. This research used questionnaire for collecting data and descriptive statistic for analyzing data. And this is the research question. The first is, what are the preferred learning materials, methods, and activities of marketing student at SMK and 1 bond? The second is, what are the primary motive of the students in learning English? The third, what specific sub-skills are considered most important by these students? The results of this study highlighted students' strong preference for interactive and career-oriented learning methods, emphasizing the practical application of language skills in their future profession. This is the questionnaire question. The first is asking about preferred learning materials, methods, and activities of marketing students. And the second is asking about the primary motivation of marketing students for learning English. The last is asking about the importance of sub-skills perceived by marketing students. The seventh research is from Yuriatson Jubari and Rosmiati and Nurliah 2022 with the title Needs Analysis in English for Specific Purposes for Nursing Students. This research used descriptive quantitative with 36 nursing students at Sandikarsha Polytechnic second semester, and then 2 ESP teacher in nursing study program for the participants. This research used questionnaire for collecting data and descriptive analysis for analyzing data. This study aims that teachers or syllabus designer English courses can obtain detailed and clear information about the material learning needed by nursing students and vice versa students too may get English learning materials that are relevant to the academic fields and jobs so that they can have right language skills and high confidence to be able to communicate. The results of this research is students required English for medical vocabulary, reading, clinical materials, and patient communications. The questionnaire questions are about the level of skills and abilities of students in English, the level of importance of the need for English skills, and the level of importance of the need for ESP topics or materials that are related to the fields of nursing. Next research is from Budi Eko Pranoto and Suprayogi 2020 with the title A Need Analysis of ESP for Physical Education Students in Indonesia. This is mixed method. The participant is 25 students and 5 lecturers of Technocrat University of Indonesia and 25 students and 5 lecturers of University of Lampung. This research used questionnaire and interview for collecting data and thematic and descriptive analysis for analyzing data. So this is the research question. The first is how do physical education students perceive their English abilities? And the second is what are the topics needed in ESP for physical educations on students. The results of this research is the physical education students' needs of ESP in various range of topics. The highly desired topic are English for sports journalism, English for professional athletes or reference or coach. Furthermore, based on the perspective of lecturers, they believe that student speaking and writing must be well developed in order to compete in international level of professional athlete, coach, journalist, and etc. And this is the questionnaire and interview question. There are 5 sections. The first section is asking about student personal information and language skills. The second is asking about physical education students' English proficiency level. The third is asking about physical student goals or distribution of profession. And the last is asking about the topic needed in ESP. Next research is from Muhammad Ali Akbari and Mahnas Bugayeri 2014 with the title A Needs Analysis Approach to ESP Design in Iranian Context. This research used quantitative method with the participation of 49 students consisting of 28 males and 21 females, aged between 21 to 24 years, and 72 graduate students consisting of 37 males and 35 females who were graduated from different universities in Iran. This research used questionnaire and interview for collecting data and statistic analysis for analyzing data. There are two research questions. The first is, what are the specific English language needs of Iranian architecture student and graduate? And second is, what language skills do they need to develop? The results demonstrated that reading comprehension skills followed by writing, speaking, and listening were respectively the important skills identified by the participants. Moreover, the participant dissatisfaction with the textbook, the pertinent topics, and the length of the courses were also reported, maintaining that the courses did not fully meet the participants' need. The questions are focusing on the most important skill needed by the students. The last research is from Chinling Li, 2016, with the title Principles and Practices of ESP Course Design, a case study of a University of Science and Technology. This research used quantitative methods with the participation of 257 three-year students in a technological university, including 62 males and 195 females. This research used questionnaire and pilot tests for collecting data and descriptive statistic analysis for analyzing data. There are 5 research questions. The first is, what English language skills do the students perceive that they will need the most in their future work? The second is, do they perceive needs of ESP differ among students by gender? The third is, do the perceived needs of ESP differ between English major and non-English major students? The fourth is, do the perceived needs of ESP differ among the variety of the students' English proficiency levels? And the last is, do the perceived needs of ESP differ among expected future jobs of the students? The results of this study is the extent of ESP needs perception held by the students was very high. About 80% of students thought ESP courses are useful and helpful for the future job. Plus, the English skill needed most was writing skill, and students with the higher English proficiency had significant difference from the lower on interest in English learning. And this is the questionnaire question. There are 3 sections. The first section is asking about students' interest in learning English. The first section is students' perceptions on the importance of 4 English skills, and the last is asking about students' English proficiency level. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.